Hello, what's up guys? In this video I will tell you how to change the background of your picture. First you have select both pictures, that one is my background and second is my picture that I have changed the background. I want to change this picture background, this baby. First you have select the selection tool and make the selection of your picture. As you can see, I have selected the quick selection tool and I will make selection this picture. You can see I'm making the selection of my picture. I'm selecting all picture. I have to zoom it and make selection. I'm making rough selection because I will tell you how to change the background of a picture. Now this area is extra, we have to remove it. You can see this. Now I have to add some areas that you can see. Our selection has been ready. Now we have to select a layer and this picture layer we have cut. Sorry, we have to make layer, and now we have to select this picture and layer we have cut. You can see our picture has been transparent. Now this is our background and we have put to our picture on this background. Simply select this picture. First select selection tool and select this picture and drag to drop our background. Now you can see picture is big and background is small. We have to transform it. First you have to press Ctrl plus T and adjust it. You can see our picture is ready. Press adjust it as you want. Now you can see I have changed the background of my picture. So in this video I have been tell you how to change the background.